Welcome to Madhyavarti Solutions Private Limited. Incorporated in 2024, we are a technology-first entity dedicated to solving two of the most critical challenges facing the developing world: employment accessibility and financial inclusion. We are not just a service provider, we are builders of digital public infrastructure. Through our two proprietary platforms, Jobonix and KuCash, we are engineering a seamless ecosystem that transitions the Indian workforce from informal livelihood to formal financial stability. Let's begin with Jobonix. The traditional blue-collar recruitment market is broken, reliant on text-based resumes that exclude millions of skilled but semi-literate workers, and plagued by fraudulent middlemen.
Jobonix disrupts this model through process innovation. We have replaced the text CV with an AI-assisted video verification system. This feature allows workers to demonstrate their soft skills and identity verbally, bridging the literacy gap and ensuring employers receive authentic, verified profiles. This is technology delivering dignity.
Our scalability is driven by a proprietary matching engine. Unlike simple keyword searches, our AI analyzes behavioral data and skill tags to instantly match workers with opportunities across India and the GCC corridor. By digitizing the migration workflow, we eliminate predatory recruitment fees and ensure compliance with international labor standards. Our community-led growth model allows us to scale rapidly into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, creating a massive, verified talent pool ready for global deployment. Employment is the first step, financial health is the second. Enter KuCash. Our fintech vertical KuCash addresses the credit gap for the new-to-credit population. Our innovation lies in our integration of the account aggregator framework. Unlike legacy apps that ask for PDF uploads, which are prone to fraud, KuCash fetches tamper-proof financial data directly from banks, securely and with user consent. This allows us to underwrite users who have cash flow but no CIBIL history. We operate as a loan service provider, LSP, functioning as a bridge between borrowers and over 100 RBI-regulated banks and NBFCs. Our algorithmic routing engine matches a user's risk profile with the right lender in milliseconds. This asset-light model is highly scalable. We do not lend from our own balance sheet. Instead, we provide the critical digital infrastructure that reduces customer acquisition costs for banks and lowers interest rates for borrowers. Madhyavarti Solutions is not just building businesses, we are building the future of the Indian workforce. We are generating employment, creating wealth through financial inclusion, and scaling a robust, compliant technology platform. We are ready to take India's innovation to the world. We are Madhyavarti Solutions. Thank you.